Me again. Sorry if that last clip was a bit dull. I was done that quite late at night. Pretty tired from the monotony of painting. It goes on and on. Speaking of painting, done 2 coats last night. I didn't actually show you what I used for the painting, but it hasn't really taken, so it's going to need a 3rd coat. Yeah, this is the paint I actually used. Just used a little roller, Ronseal chalky photospray rinse white. It says you don't need a primer or anything. I did put this on the Instagram when I was looking at paints, and then this one we're going to put hints of it around the bottom, those little triangles there, and also do the kitchen in this. Picked this up in the range. I did have a look on Amazon, they do sell it on there, but because it's prime it's a little bit more money, so we went to the range and got that. About 12 quid a tin, so I'm probably going to need another 2 of these to do the rest of the van. It's going to take blooming 3 coats. And this is the same up here. It's just not going on very well, so I'm hoping the 3rd coat will hide all that, unless it's my roller, which I need a better roller. I've got another one here, but I want to use that for the blue. Got the heater going, try and dry out a little bit quicker. So yeah, back on with the painting. Right, that's the 3rd coat of paint on, and it's gone on a bit better. Looks more like a finished surface. Still a bit patchy in places. Say hi, Sid. Crazy fool. So that's all had 3 coats. This is looking a bit more yellow. I suppose that's the vintage look. But this wood was lighter than the others, so maybe it'd dry a different colour. The rest of it, so I've just done this one. The rest of it I'm going to prime, I think, because prime. It's just taking too much paint, so I'm going to put a primer on.
There's a hole there.
Before I do the duck egg colour. Well done, Sid. You wet? Wet paint?
No.
No?
Not wet paint anymore.
Dry, is it?
Yes.
Cool.
So turn it off.
Turn what off?
The fan.
No, I've got that to dry, haven't I? I'm going to move on to the kitchen next. I'm hoping that the duck egg will take to the MDF. It does say no primer, so I'm going to paint that and work on the worktop. I haven't got any primer to put on these at the moment, so don't listen to the tin. It says no primer, but I would recommend priming. Mixed up some PVA and the water solution just to put on the MDF, just give it a little bit of protection, being in the kitchen and whatnot. Water and spillages. Don't want this. I won't be doing this again. So just simple roller and just roll it on. It goes pretty far. Let that dry. Bring the heater down here in a minute. Plug that in, get it drying, and then I'll paint over the top of this. All in these edges where it's porous and can go in. I'm no expert. I don't know if you need to do this or not, but I'd rather do it. Give it a bit of protection, because that'll soak that PVA in, and hopefully paint over the top. Paint's dry. Took really well to the MDF. Didn't take too well to that stuff. Pain in the arse. Fridge is in. Outlet's in. What I've done, just to stop the fridge moving, just put these little noggins in, stop it sliding around on there, and then one in the front there, which you're not going to see unless you open the fridge. You can't really see it there. And then I took a screw out on the top, put a little bracket in, just tied it to the side. Just makes it nice and sturdy in there. That's in. Got to paint this same colour as this, the duck egg. So I've got the worktop, go on, but first of all I've got to get some gas pipe, take this flexible off, make a more permanent one, run it down to the cupboard down there. I'll not get that yet. That is it. So that's a good place for me to stop, I think. I don't want to be cutting up, making mistakes, worktops and doors and things. I've got to put the front doors on, one for the sink and one under the fridge. So I think that's a good place for me to stop. I might just put one coat of duck egg on that front of that fridge, but I'm not doing any more cutting tonight. Again, leave some comments, hit the like button. Got any tips or anything, if you want to know what I've used or whatever, give us a shout. Please subscribe, so you get updates of what we're doing in the van. I'm going to be doing videos along the way. Probably the next one, be putting the cupboards and the worktop on. Hopefully my hob will be here on Thursday, so I can cut that out, cut the sink out, and then hopefully kitchen back together. I did want to tile the back splash before I put the worktop on, but it depends if I get the tiles tiled or not. And then carry on with the painting. Yay! Cheers guys, again please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Cara.Caravan. See some pictures along the way, but the best place is the YouTube channel.